At the edge of town, where quiet cul-de-sacs meet peaceful country charm, 116 Leicester Court is waiting for you. Tucked away off Green Valley Road, this sweet 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on a generous lot with room to garden and gather, all within a true neighborhood community. The front yard welcomes you with a vibrant pollinator garden, colorful, low maintenance, and buzzing with life. Out back, there's even more space to play. A roomy shed for all your toys, a sunny patio, and plenty of space for chickens, pets, or just a quiet afternoon outdoors. Inside, you'll find a move-in ready home, clean, functional, and thoughtfully maintained. You're minutes from Pinto Lake County Park, where you can walk the trails, cast a line, or picnic under the trees. And so close to all of Watsonville's local amenities, restaurants, and community events. Let me know when you'd like to take a look. I'd love to show you around in person.